Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening the December YarnYay box. I have some unfortunate news though. This is actually the last of the subscription box. Vicky is closing the YarnYay company, and in doing so though, she is bringing to you some great products at reduced prices. So I will leave the website down below for you to check out what is left of the company and give you the option to buy anything at a discount if you are so inclined. So in this box, we have the pattern Cowley Days, and it is Happy Cowley Days, a spoof on Happy Holidays, and it is for a knit or crocheted cowl. And what I really loved about these boxes was that you had the option of doing a knit pattern or a crochet pattern of the same type of pattern. So while these two don't look anything alike, as you can see, the knit cowl and the crochet cowl are very different in appearance. Sometimes the items are much closer in appearance, but they're both cowls. So we have the little red truck and a card, warm holiday wishes. And that's the other thing that I really loved about these boxes, is that you always got something more than just the project and the yarn. And the yarn is gorgeous. It's Vicky's line, the Montoya Merino. It is heavy worsted Aran weight, 100% superwash merino, 175 yards or 160 meters, and it's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. It's machine wash in cold water, lay flat to dry, and the color is Sputnik Spruce. They recommend a US 8 to 9 knitting needle or a 5 to 5.5 crochet hook, millimeter crochet hook. And the other gift in here is this really cool bag, project bag, with that funky silver and the neon green. Nice deep bag for projects, and with, of course, the YarnYay logo. So as I said, this will be the last box. She does have a winter themed box that will be for sale that you could purchase, and I will have the information for that. Well, that'll be in the website, so that'll have that information for you if you're interested in buying that, and whatever yarns she has left over and any other boxes. And I know that she had said that she'll be running some sales, so all that information will be on her website for you to check out. So I encourage you to check it out. She has a lot of great products, and unfortunately, this is the end of the company, but that gives you the benefit of buying whatever you'd like at reduced prices. So thanks for watching. Please try to remember to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.